Have you ever questioned the purpose of life beyond the physical realm? If so, then you've already taken the first step towards understanding spirituality. Spirituality, in its essence, is a journey inward. It's an acknowledgement that we are more than just our physical bodies. We are timeless, immortal spiritual beings embarked on a human experience. Now, it's important to highlight that spirituality and materialism represent two distinct lifestyles. Before moving forward, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. When we choose to walk the spiritual path, we consciously decide to prioritize the spiritual aspects of our existence over the physical ones. This doesn't mean we run away from material life, but rather, we begin to see it through a different lens, one that values inner peace and purpose over external gains. Embracing spirituality can profoundly change our approach to life, offering us a sense of tranquility and a deeper understanding of our life's greater purpose. Like and subscribe and stay tuned to know more.